Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time given to me. Well, I wanna introduce myself to you. My name is Susnal Fatima Irfan. I'm from International Class Program. On this occasion, I will present a material about standing waves. First of all, we will know what a wave is. A wave is a vibration that propagates. In its propagation, the wave carries energy. In other words, the wave is the vibration that propagates and the vibrate. So, waves are vibrations that propagate, and moving waves will propagate energy. Wave can also be thought of as a form of vibration that propagates in medium. In a wave that propagates is the wave, not the medium of the medium. One wave can be seen in light by calculating the distance between valleys and hills, or transverse waves, or calculating the distance between one density and one reef, or longitudinal waves. The speed of wave propagation is the distance traveled by the wave in 1 second. A part of ocean waves, there are many other samples. When you throw a small stone on the surface of still water, a circular wave will appear and move outward. Another example is a wave traveling along a string that stretches out in a straight line when you move the rope up and down. When we talk about wave, we can ignore vibrations. Standing waves. Standing wave or stationary wave is a wave whose amplitude varies. The value starts from 0 until it reaches a certain maximum value. An example of a traveling wave in everyday life is one a rope, on end of which is tied to a pole and other end is moved up and down. The wave of the rope will propagate from the end of the vibrating rope to the end of the tied rope. Then it will be reflected back to its original direction. The incident wave and the reflect wave interfere with each other, so it is called a standing wave. A standing wave consists of a knot and a belly. The vertex is the locus of the point with the minimum amplitude, while the belly is the locus of the point with the maximum amplitude. On a wave, standing waves are the result of a combination or superposition of two traveling waves that have the same amplitude and frequency, but in opposite directions. Standing waves are divided into two, namely, for the one is free end. The standing wave at the free end has the same path as the incident wave. The reflecting tip can move freely up or down following the direction of the incoming wave. And the second is tied ends. Standing waves with bound ends have different phase angles of the incident and reflect waves. The reflecting tip cannot move freely following the direction of the incident wave. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.